I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Game face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me, come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip, put your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
banyak, akhirnya tinggal sedikit. Selesai.
Siapa lihat tadi?
Ini berapa kita ikan? Sudah 10.000. 10.000. Oke wes. Oke selesai. Mantap lah kalau begitu. Mantap. Oke Om Yakob, terima kasih.
Oke, mantap.
Mantap. Ah ini dong. Sini. Ini kameranya di sini bukan di situ. Sini ah.
Balik.
Om Kasri, terima kasih banyak.
Oke, baik, dan terima kasih teman-teman semua.
Terima kasih.
Itulah tadi skill potong ikan dari Pak Yakub dengan Om Kasri. Ya, dengan Om Kasri ya. Potong ikan baby tuna dan potongan harga 15 per porsi, dan Om Yakub potongan 10.000 per porsi. Sampai jumpa di lain waktu di video yang lain. Saya Arif Rahmat dari Pasar Ikan Jembatan Puri, Sorong, Papua, Barat, Daya. Salam hormat, salam santun, sukses selalu, sehat selalu buat Anda semua. Sampai jumpa di video selanjutnya. Selamat beraktivitas. Goodbye, see you tomorrow.